Hey guys, welcome to Delph Stack, and this is how to change time in Messenger. So, guys, if you ever wondered on how to do this, sadly, based on my research as of today, that you cannot change time in Messenger application itself. So, Messenger doesn't have an option to change time in Messenger. But, guys, however, you can still do this process by going through the system settings into your phone. So, to do that, you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings onto your device. Now, over here, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down over here onto your device and go for the general management. And you will have an option over here, date and time. So go ahead and tap on it. Now, guys, if you want to have an automatic date and time, you can just simply turn this on and automatically it will set the date and time based on the region that you are currently in. Then you could also use the 24-hour format, or if you want to have a custom time, of course, you could just simply select a specific time zone and you could select a region over here. Now, you could also say date and time, and here you can change your time in Messenger, and when you change your time over here, automatically on your messenger, it will change as well. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.